Hello guys, so do you know that you can be able to create a very beautiful website like this, where you can be able to sell data, say your airtime, you can do cables, TV subscription, right? You can do other things like electricity bills, pay bills, and all that. And the beautiful thing is that anybody can be able to do this. You don't have to be a tech expert to be able to do this, right? And also, you can do this for yourself. If you want to start this kind of business, you can be able to build this kind of website by yourself. And then, much especially, you can also even build it for somebody and make money after it, right? So you don't have to be a tech expert, have all the technical skills, because in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through every step that you need to do, that you need to take to be able to build this kind of website. And it's also free, right? You can actually build this website using your phone or your laptop. So I'm going to be teaching you these two methods. So if you love this kind of content, why not go ahead and smash the like button, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, so that subsequent videos you'll be able to notify when I drop them. So let's go into the video right now.
Hi, you're welcome guys, and in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how to build a VTU website. We'll be showing you how to build a VTU website. So let's get started. And to be able to build a VTU website, you need to get your hosting and domain. So probably for my WhatsApp class, I've already explained what the hosting and domain is. So right here on my screen is the Q server hosting. So right here in the dashboard, I've already bought a hosting and domain from Q server. So if you also want to learn how to do that, I have put the video link on the description, which will walk you through on how to get a hosting and domain from Q server. So right now, this is my hosting and my domain. So I'll just go straight into it and show you how we build the VTU website. So right now, to actually build the VTU website, the first thing I need to do is I need to get to my cPanel. So to get to my cPanel, all I have to do is click on this place where it says services here. So click on services here. Then, so this is my hosting stuff that I bought. So I'm going to click on this place where it says active. So I'll click on active. So then I'm going to, as you can see on the left, it says log into cPanel. So this is where I can log into my cPanel. So I'll just click on log into cPanel. So then it's going to redirect me to cPanel. So as you can see, this is my cPanel that I got from Q server. So now this is where the work is actually going to happen. So to actually build our VTU website, what I need to do is I need to go to my file manager. This is my file manager here, so I can open it in a new tab here. So right here, this is my file manager. So what I want to do is I want to go to where it says public HTML here. So when you click on it, so it's going to open this folder. So as you can see, this folder is actually supposed to be empty. So but because I have a WordPress website on this folder already, so what I want to do is I will create a new folder here. Create a new folder. So this is it here. Just click on folder here. So I'll just name it VTU. I'll create a new folder. So call it VTU. So then I will open it. So now we are going to upload the VTU script inside this VTU folder here on my file manager. So the VTU script is what we're going to be using to actually build our VTU website. So let me just go on ahead and upload the VTU script. So I'll click on upload. Then I'll click on select file. So then this is the VTU script. So all I need to do now is to double click on it. So right now it has started uploading my VTU script. So what you need to do is you need to just wait for a few moments till it finish uploading the VTU script. So once it gets to 100% and it shows green, so it means it has successfully uploaded it. So we can close the tab and then go to this place. So what you need to do is to reload this place, so then we are going to see it there. So as you can see, it's there right now. So now what we want to do now is we're going to, because it is the files that are inside this script that we need, so I'm going to extract it so that the files can be brought out. So then click on extract files, so then it's going to extract the files. As you can see, we already have the files outside. So right now what we are going to do next is to go on ahead and create the database for our VTU website. So and then to create the database, we need to go back to our cPanel here, then we go to under databases, we look for MySQL database wizard right here, MySQL database wizard. So what we need to do is to open it in a new tab to retain this cPanel. So let's just go to the MySQL database wizard. So right now I want to create the database for this VTU website. So you can name the database any name that you want. So in my own case, I'll just say VTU DB, meaning VTU database. So I'll click on next step. Don't forget, you can name it any name you want. Do you understand? So now it says you have created a MariaDB stroke MySQL database named gcon VTU DB. So now the next step is to create the database user. So to do that, it's also very simple. So you can also name it any name that you want. So in my own case, I will also say VTU user, VTU user, so as not to just confuse myself in any way. So VTU user. So then the next thing is to create a password for this database user. So you can come up with your password. So in my own case, I will just type in a password here. So right now I have successfully created my password. So what we need to do now is to click on create user, then it's going to create that now immediately. So now after it says you have successfully created a MySQL username, so now what you need to do is you need to come right here and mark all privileges. So you see, as I marked it, it marked every other one. So we need everything that is there to all be tick marked before we go on. So after you have tick marked everything, so now click on next step. So now we have successfully created our database user and the database itself. So now just retain this page like this, don't close this tab. So what you need to do is come back here. So then under the database, because we are not yet through with the database integration, so the next thing you need to do is to go to phpMyAdmin here. So open it also in a new tab. So right now this is the phpMyAdmin, and as you can see, the first database that we have here, because these are the list of databases that we have. So this is the current database that was there before. So this is the new database that we just created, VTUDB. If you don't forget, that's what we named it here. So this is it here. So you just need to click on it. So once you click on it, it has opened the database here, and as you can see, everything is empty. There's nothing inside. If I should click on this, you notice there are many informations here, because I've been using this one. So this is a new database that I just want to use, and everything is still very empty. So what we need to do right now is we now want to upload the database here, the informations. So now to upload, we need to go to import here. So click on import. So right now what we want to do is we want to actually upload the SQL file for the VTU. So to actually do that, we go back to our file manager here. So this our file manager, where we actually extracted the VTU script. So among the extracted file, look for the file named klv.sql here. So among the extracted file, look for the file named klv.sql. So after you have seen it, just go here, click on it like this, then go here and click on download. So it's going to download it to your laptop. So after I've downloaded it, because this is the file that we actually want to upload. So after I've downloaded it, go back to your phpMyAdmin. So then go and choose file. So now you now go to your downloads here. So this is it here. So we just downloaded it. So then you double click it. So after that, you will now go down here, come down here. So then click on import. So as you can see, it says import has been successfully finished. 82 queries excluded. So then when you click on it again here, then you see it's no more empty. We now have a lot of informations in our database. So we are almost done. So there's just one more last thing to do. So what we need to do right now is go back to our file manager here. So now we want to go and edit a particular file here. So come here to where it says core, this folder here, core. So you open it, you double click and open it, then you go into models, double click and open it. So then you come to model.php. So you click on it, then you right click and click on edit, then click on edit again. So now it will open the file. So what we want to edit here is very simple, very simple. We are not touching the code or anything. So now you go back to the tab where you created your database and your username, which is this. So this is the reason why I say you should not close the tab the other time, although you can still get your database name here also. So what you want to do is you want to copy this database name here. So copy it. So then you want to edit it here. Let me drag this tab. So now you see this place where it says database name. So what we want to do is we want to replace what is in between these quotes here, this Trinity_HMS. So we want to replace it with our own database name. So now I've pasted it there. Do you see? So please don't delete anything here so it will not destroy anything. So just make sure you paste it inside the quotes here. So we go back to the tab and then we copy our database user to copy it, and then come back here where it says database username. So you come here, then you just highlight it like this, then you paste it. So the last thing you want to do here is put your password. So the password that we created initially, so you put it here. So I'll just highlight it like this, what is inside the quote, then I'll delete it, so making sure it remains only the code. Then I will type my password. So once you are done typing your password, all you have to do is just come here and click on save changes, and that is all. You don't need to do any extra thing. So that is all. So then we have successfully installed our script. So the next thing to do right now is to go to your website and check it. So this is the name of my website here. So I'll just copy it, I'll paste it here. So because I actually created a folder for VTU, so I'll just make it /VTU. So then let's see what we have. So as you can see, the VTU website has started to load, and as you can see, our website has eventually loaded. So this is the VTU website, as you can see. So in it now, users can go here and click on login to actually log into to log in. As you can see, this is where users can log in to their account.